Hey all, in this video we are going to see about database DBMS. Let's get into the topic. Firstly, what is a database? A database is any collection of relative information. It can be a phone book, shopping list, and etc. And a database can be stored in different ways, like on a paper, on a computer, etc. By general definition, a database is an organized collection of data generally stored and accessed electronically from a computer system. Now, let's see about DBMS, that is, Database Management System. By general definition, a database management system is a software designed to store, retrieve, define, and manage data in a database. In simple, it is a special software program used to create and maintain a database. It has many advantages like easy to manage, handle security, backups, import, export, interact with software applications. Let's see this example. You all know Amazon, right? In that, when we buy or sell a product, our information is stored as a data in a database. When Amazon tries to access the data, it uses DBMS to manage the data. Amazon.com will interact with the database management system in order to create, read, update, and delete the information. I think from this example, you have got a clear idea about DBMS. If this video gets 100 likes and above, I can make a specific video on DBMS versus relational database. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel, which is actually free of cost.